If you have high blood pressure, you may be curious about whether or not taking medication to bring the numbers down is required. Alterations to one's food and way of life are two of the many treatments that can be utilized to assist in the management of high blood pressure levels and the improvement of the overall health of the heart. In this video, we are going to talk about 7 best remedies to lower blood pressure. So, before starting the video, please like this video, do subscribe, and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. 7. Get moving. Maintaining an active lifestyle is an essential component of healthy living. Your mood, your strength, and your balance will all improve if you engage in regular physical activity in addition to the benefits it provides for your blood pressure. Additionally, it lowers the possibility of developing diabetes and other forms of heart disease. If you haven't been active for some time, you should consult a physician about developing a healthy exercise program. You should begin your workouts at a slower pace and progressively ramp up both the tempo and the number of times that you perform them. You hate going to the gym, do you? Move your workout to the great outdoors. You can get the same health benefits by going for a swim, jogging, or walking. Get your body moving, that's the most crucial thing. In addition, the American Heart Association advises including muscle strengthening activity at least twice per week in one's weekly routine. You can attempt to grow lean muscle mass by completing any workout, such as lifting weights, doing push-ups, or any other exercise that helps. 6. Follow the DASH diet. Your systolic blood pressure can drop by as much as 11 millimeters of mercury if you follow the diet recommended by the Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension program. The following foods make up the DASH diet: consuming fresh fruits, veggies, and grains that are whole, consuming low-fat dairy items, meats, seafood, and nuts in addition to eating nuts, avoiding foods that are high in saturated fats, such as processed foods, dairy products with a high fat content, and meats with a high fat content. It is also helpful to limit the consumption of sweets and beverages with added sugar, such as soda and fruit juice. 5. Limit salt. Your blood pressure can be significantly lowered by cutting down on the amount of sodium you consume. If you consume an excessive amount of sodium, your body may begin to retain fluid in certain individuals. This brings a dramatic increase in the level of blood pressure. The American Heart Association advises keeping your daily intake of sodium to between 500 and 300 milligrams, which is equivalent to a little more than half of a teaspoon of table salt. You can reduce the amount of sodium in your diet by substituting the use of herbs and spices for salt as a flavor enhancer in cuisine. As a general rule, the salt content of processed foods is quite high. Always make sure to check the labels on the food you buy, and whenever it's possible, choose options that have less salt. Well, do you like what you are seeing so far? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep watching because you don't want to miss what we have at the number 1 spot. 4. Maintain a moderate weight. There is a correlation between one's weight and their blood pressure. People who are overweight or obese may benefit from dropping as little as 5 to 10 pounds, as this can help bring their blood pressure down. In addition to achieving and sustaining a healthy weight, monitoring your waistline and making any necessary adjustments is an essential part of controlling your blood pressure. Visceral fat, often known as belly fat, refers to the excess fat that collects around a person's abdominal organs and has been linked to a number of major health issues, including high blood pressure. When present in excess, the ideal waist circumference for men should be less than 40 inches, while the ideal waist circumference for women should be less than 35 inches. 3. If you smoke, consider quitting. Each cigarette you smoke causes your blood pressure to remain temporarily elevated for several minutes after you have finished smoking it. If you smoke cigarettes on a daily basis, your blood pressure may remain high for a considerable amount of time. People who already have high blood pressure and smoke have a significantly increased chance of getting dangerously high blood pressure, a heart attack, or a stroke. Even passive exposure to smoke can put you at a greater risk of developing high blood pressure and cardiovascular disease. Quitting smoking can assist in returning your blood pressure to normal, in addition to delivering a multitude of other positive effects on your health. Stop smoking today by taking advantage of the services offered at our smoking cessation facility. 2. Limit alcohol. It is not inappropriate in any way for you to enjoy a glass of red wine with your meal. In point of fact, research suggests that moderate consumption of red wine may really be helpful to one's heart health. However, Drinking an excessive amount of alcohol can result in a wide variety of health problems, one of which is high blood pressure. Consuming an excessive amount of alcohol might also lessen the beneficial effects of some blood pressure drugs. What does drinking in moderation mean? According to recommendations made by the AHA, men should limit their alcohol consumption to no more than 2 drinks each day. Alcohol consumption should be limited to no more than 1 beverage per day for females. 1 drink equals beer measuring 12 fluid ounces, 4 fluid ounces of wine, 1.5 ounces of liquor, that is 80 proof. 1. Find ways to de-stress. It might be challenging to slow down and relax in the modern world, which moves at a breakneck pace and is filled with a growing number of demands. Nevertheless, in order to better control stress levels, it is necessary to take breaks from the duties you have on a daily basis at regular intervals. Your blood pressure may briefly increase if you are stressed. Consuming an excessive amount of it can keep your blood pressure elevated for a lengthy period of time. Locating the source of your stress is helpful in this regard. It could be your career, your relationship, or even your financial situation. When you've identified the cause of your anxiety, the next step is to look into potential solutions to the issue. You also have the option of engaging in activities that provide you with healthy stress relief. You could find that taking some long, slow breaths, meditating, or doing yoga helps. So, that's it for today's video. What do you think of the number 1 spot? Hit us up in the comments and let's chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for our channel so you never miss what's coming next from us. Thanks for watching.